Good evening. Thank you so much for choosing to join us today. I'm Scott Gross. A new bill introduced in the Arizona State Capitol that have some controversy. Yeah, both sides describing as an anti-trans proposal nicknamed the Arizona Women's Bill of Rights. And while the local senator who introduced the bill says it's to protect women and girls, those opposed say it would erase Arizona's transgender community. News 11's Valerie Rodriguez reports.
Senate Bill 1628, introduced by Arizona Senator Sine Kerr, would replace the term gender with sex, along with including definitions of boy, girl, men, women, mother, and father.
I think, the most important thing about not only SB 1628, but just all of the anti-LGBTQ legislation we're seeing in Arizona is that our community has always been here. We've been here before with fewer allies and fewer resources.
Bridget Sharp, the Arizona director for the Human Rights Campaign, shares the impact a bill like this would have.
And so legislation like SB 1628 is simply, a piece of legislation that is not popular whatsoever. It, aims to erase LGBTQ folk.
On the other hand, Gary Snyder, a local Republican candidate running for Arizona representative for Legislative District 25, says otherwise.
This is not eliminating anyone. This is just certifying what a biological female is and their rights, as a vice versa, what is a biological male and their rights.
The bill would also prevent males who identify as females from participating in women's sports, winning women's scholarships, and accessing female-designated spaces like locker rooms and restrooms.
So we want to make sure you have the opportunities as well to have your own sports, your own restrooms, your own habitat that you decide to be safe in.
Governor Katie Hobbs has vetoed anti-LGBTQ plus bills in the past, including SB 1040, which would have banned trans students and school personnel from using restrooms that match their gender identity. SB 1001, which would have made it illegal for school personnel to respect the pronouns of trans or non-binary students without written parental permission. SB 1005, which would have left schools open to lawsuits for providing safe spaces for LGBTQ plus students. If the bill passes through the legislature, it will eventually need the signature of Governor Hobbs, which, if her previous vetoes are any indication, it looks like the bill will not become law. We have also reached out to her office for comment, but have not heard back. Reporting in Yuma, Valeria Rodriguez, News 11.